I'm going to talk about the focus of our course, Mastering Python for Beginners in Data Science. So let me explain what kind of areas in this particular course we are focusing the most. In fact, because this is a course for beginners, that's a beginner level course, we are not assuming the course taker to have any experience whatsoever about any computer programming language before, not even the problem solving paradigm that lies in computer science. So we will focus on problem solving for a bit, and we will actually start from the very beginning what problem solving is, particularly in computer science. The second focus of this particular course is mainly telling you why we are choosing Python, why Python is so important, particularly for data science problems. The third focus and the main core focus is to learn Python, obviously. Once we know what are the techniques to solve a problem, and once we know that the Python might be a very good language to go with, then what is Python? How to learn it? Well, the Python is the main core and main focus of this course. Obviously, we will start from the very beginning, very beginning, which means we will start from how to install Python. For example, we will start from there. And then we will see what are variables. I mean, very beginning. And then progressively, we will be moving on and on and on to data structures, to complex structures. But that transition from 0 to onwards, that transition will be very smooth. I mean, whatever you know so far in the course, that will be helping you to gain more complex structures very easily, gaining the understanding of a lot of structures very easily. So in this Python, we will include all concepts of Python in general. And one more thing. After learning this Python, the way we organize this course, after learning this Python, you will be having understanding of other languages as well. I mean, the contents here are explained in so general way, although with the Python syntax, but the concepts are expressed in so general way. The problems that we pick to solve for practice are so generic that you will, after this particular Python course, you will be having understanding of programming languages in general. So data science is one other focus of this course. Actually, the whole course is organized in a way that it teaches you about Python, it teaches you problem solving, it teaches you something about overall programming languages and how computer can be used to achieve the solution of different problems, and using Python, of course. And then we will be introducing the data science packages that are available in Python, because they are really fast, really fundamental, very easy to use, and very powerful to handle large amount of data very quickly for data understanding, for visualization, for cleaning, processing, and a lot of stuff. What we are not focusing at, because that's important, knowing that what kind of things are the things that we're not covering. For example, we are not covering OOP, object-oriented programming. We are not covering exception handling. We are not doing web development or any general kind of tasks that are doable in Python. We are not